All right, what's up guys? Today we are going to be changing out the springs on the M3. Got the car jacked up. I'm gonna take the wheels off and try to get these springs out and get them switched over. Right now there's lowering springs on the car, which that in itself will make the, the rear tire have some negative camber. So I'm gonna try to put the stock springs in it. I have these bars here I'm going to put into, which with the lowering springs, I could put these in and fix the camber probably. But another thing is this car has a 26-inch tall tire on it right now. So I really like to try to put a 28 on it. And so I'm going to try to put the factory springs in the back on, see if it'll, when we get there, see if it'll fit a 28 when these are done. I don't know if I'm gonna have to put the stock springs in the front. I don't really want to, but I might have to. So here, let's get these wheels off. All right, just gotta get this bolt back here off. That right off. Okay, now let's see here. I gotta try to get this spring out. Boom! Easy. To get another spring in there may be a little hard. We'll see. Guess we'll find out. I don't think it's that hard. It's just a matter of doing it with two people. Oh man, okay. If I can get some leverage here. There. Okay, it's tight. Okay. Well, whoa, that was easier than expected. Got it all in there by myself. I watch all these videos. Everyone's had to put like a jack here and like jack it up. I think those people are just being pussies. Because all I did was just I guess they probably don't have studs either they can use, but step down on those and just throw it in there. I think we're in, so I guess we'll get the other side done. All right, these are called shank style lug nuts. Has a washer in there. It basically centers the wheel on the hub. You have to run these on these kind of wheels. Even I think the front's the same way. A lot of the aftermarket racing wheels, at least on the drag racing side, most of them are shank style, open-ended. Well, I guess maybe not always open-ended, but typically when you have longer studs like this, they're all gonna be open-ended. Get my impact here. This is the hardest part about Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, these tires are getting pretty close. Probably a couple more passes in them, and we're going to be done for. Guys, I know I didn't tell you before what to do, but it's not really kind of a how-to video. Right here is the shock bolt. All you need to do is undo that, and then your whole carrier on this side will go up and down, so you can push it down and pull the spring out. Like I said, some people's had to use jacks and pry bars and all kinds of other shit, but here we go. That's out. This is how quick and easy it is. Let's see if I can get it. Boom. Got it out. Go over to my trunk, grab the other one. I got the stock springs here still. I've actually never had these on the car, not once since I've owned it. And I've owned it for a long time. It's always had those lowering springs on it. So, this is the worst damn part about springs. All right, let me get this out real quick. All right, I got it out. There's a really good chance that this thing's gonna be having some serious rake to it, and it's gonna look goofy without me switching out the front springs, but I'm hoping I don't have to. I don't really want to if I don't have to. It'll probably look goofy, I'm sure, with these tires on there. A little goofy. But honestly, sorry. Yeah, anyway, what I was saying was, honestly, it might look a little goofy with these springs on there with the short ones up top and the 26, but I guess we'll see. If it runs better, I mean, I can always, these things are so easy to change, I can always change them out and put my smaller ones on there if I don't change my tires in time by the race. This one seems like it's gonna be a little bit harder. Probably need to just bounce on it. There, I think I got it. A little bit more. But it's always really tight. Yeah, it's tight. Boom. Here's, I don't know, I guess there is a video on it, but this is the brake setup to fit the 15s. Really, it's just a modified bracket. It's beefing, re-drilled to fit the smaller rotor, 3 Series rotor, with the 3 Series brake caliper. So just moves it in to be able to clear the wheels. So anyway, all right. I'm losing her. Boy, I'm struggling. That was a fail if I've ever seen one. All right, jack her up and let her down. Oh, there's a grocery bag underneath my car. That thing's gonna melt my converter. She's definitely sitting. Oh my God, I can definitely fit a 28 on that bitch. I wonder how this It looks like that camber's gone. Wow. Let's look. That looks pretty damn good. Look at that wheel. I think that is there. I think that's what I wanted. I think we're flattened out, back out. Also, again, I know there's gonna be a gap. Okay, guys, it'll settle down some more. Looks like pretty bad right now, but I think this is a 26. I think I might be able to get a 28 tucked in there. That's a lot of room. How's the front look? And with a 28, I think we're gonna be good. I think I'm clearing everywhere up here. Good God, it's really slammed on the front. We'll see. We'll see how she rides. I might have to put that other, she's low. But honestly, not too shabby. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That is the first step to getting this thing dialed in. I guarantee you this alone, right here, I go to the track, it's gonna run a significantly better number. Just having that full tire patch to the ground, that, and I bet now I can measure for dual adjustable shocks. We're in business, and I think that's really gonna make a big difference for us. And I'm really excited about it. So, you know, sometimes you've seen me struggle clearly where, you know, you work on something that's supposed to be easy and it takes forever and everything goes wrong. And then there's other times you have a project like this. And I literally knocked it out in no time. I mean, 15, 20 minutes maybe at most. Super easy. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We still have our fuel filter put in, got some more tools, so I'm able to kind of work on the car a little bit more. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Till next time.